Dear aspirants, there are lot many cadets who keep thinking that they could not do well in GTO tasks, especially individual obstacle, because they were not trained on those obstacles.
यहाँ बैठ के आंसू बहाने से बेहतर है 2 हफ्ते पसीना बहा ले.
Gentlemen, let me tell you, very few cities can have such kind of obstacles which are there in SSB. But they are not something very unique. They are normal obstacle just to test your physical fitness and stamina and how honestly you do those obstacles without making faults. When I was preparing for my SSB, in my town also, there were no such kind of obstacle existed. For my physical fitness, I used to go for run, and especially on the weekend, on Sunday I used to plan a long run along the canal which existed to my native place. Almost good enough for 8 to 10 kilometer run I used to do, then exercise, and especially for climbing rope. I could trace a place where in one of the akhadas where wrestler used to practice, they had put up 2-3 ropes. So I used to go there to practice the rope climbing and to maintain my arm muscles. And rest of these obstacles are not tough. It requires your basic stamina, tough legs, tough arm muscles and balancing act.
पेड़ पे नहीं उगते, उन्हें बनाना पड़ता है प्यार से, मेहनत से, लगन से.
You need not worry about what kind of obstacles you will face. Even in exam also, you don't get the same kind of question which is given in book. It can be combination of two. It can be slightly tricky, or a time limit can be added to a question. Don't worry about individual obstacles. Now question comes: why stamina? Why leg muscles? Why arm muscles? Why balancing act?
Why?
It is because the obstacles are designed in such a manner that in different obstacles, role of different muscles comes. Like when you do balance beam, it requires your body balance and a speedy walk. Then you learn to balance your body. When you jump double barrel, it is basically your leg muscles and how you land up there. When you cross double ditch, there is a rope hanging in between. Your skill of strong arms and taking jump is required in this. When you do a screen jump, it is the way you run on the ramp and take a jump and landing of the body. Like for Burma Bridge, it appears to be difficult. It is not a difficult obstacle. It is just how you move on the 2 ropes where your balance of body and your arm muscles and leg muscles. A coordination is required, and then very coolly you come down via rope. It's not a difficult obstacle. It is a body balancing and arm muscles. If you see the Tarzan swing, it is how you hold the rope and take a swing, and your muscles should be able to take on your weight so that your legs should not come down before the correct crossing line and you don't commit fault. Because if you commit fault, then you have to repeat it, and that will be at the cost of time. So why not to do an obstacle correctly in the shortest time? Then comes the tiger leap. Tiger leap, it is a jump which you take from a ramp and hold the rope. And it is basically how you hold it, and then your hands, your palm should not get hurt. Because if you are not able to hold it properly, your palms will get scratches. So your grip has to be tight. You can use your arms and leg both to come down. That is the individual obstacle. Not a big thing. Not so many people get a chance. Only very few lucky people have got some obstacles around them. Generally, it is your mental makeup and your stamina which will make you successful. I have curated some exercises which will help you in building your stamina, building your arm muscles, leg muscles, and body building. Don't worry about individual obstacles. Keep your stamina, daily running, daily exercise, keep your body fit so that you don't sustain any injury during the obstacle course. All those people who are not physically fit, who are not used to running or doing exercise, certainly they have got hesitations for the GTO task obstacles. A physical fit person is just not bothered about it. It needs your stamina. Roads are vacant. Go out in the morning or evening, carry out your running, your physical fitness, band stretches, pull-ups. Utilize your drawing rooms, balconies. Utilize your balconies for 5-meter run. It is not that easy. If you go time-wise, 5-meter run is also a difficult run. Utilize your balconies for skipping, for using skipping ropes. Go for 100 skips, sets of 100 into 10. Your physical fitness will be maintained. Your arms have to be strong, your legs have to be strong, and mentally you should be strong. Obstacles are not difficult. It are very common obstacles. Only your body balance is important, your strength in your legs, strength in your arm is important. That is good enough for your physical fitness, and that will ensure that you do your obstacle course or other physical activities during GTO tasks easily. Thank you. Hope you found my guidance useful. Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.